First, the top stories. Cheques distributed to 175 eco clubs of Imphal West District. Manipur Wushu team leaves for Chandigarh to participate in National Wushu Championship. And former Andhra Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and son placed under preventive detention. Hello and very good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 and I'm KISHORECHANDRA with the news in details. A one-day workshop cum cheque distribution program for Eco Club schools in Imphal West District was organized by District Implementation and Monitoring Committee Imphal West under the supervision of Manipur Pollution Control Board and Ministry of Forest and Environment and Climate Change at Zonal Education Officer Kuyathong today. Cheques were distributed to 175 eco clubs of Imphal West District. Scientists of Manipur Pollution Control Board, K.H. Tomba and Member Secretary of DIMC Imphal West, Dr. T.H. Hemananda were also present at the function. A cheque of Rs 5,000 was distributed to each school. Sucheta Kumakchum urged the eco clubs to educate the students about importance of planting trees.
School singda, angang singda, paper bags, amasung cloth bags haduna, asagi anak padalaiba school gi vicinity dalaiba vendor amasung shopkeepers in the yenthopagi thoramama poi 13 da pangthok jagani.
A Manipur Wushu team comprising of 26 players who will be participating in the upcoming 18th Junior National Wushu Boys and Girls Championship to be held at the University of Chandigarh, Punjab from August 15 till September 20 was flagged off from Kumalampak, Imphal this morning by President of International Peace and Social Advancement, IPSA Joy Chandra Konthojam.
Aikoi sanaba matamda goal loroktuna laibang asigi mingchet porokpa amadi overall champion oiraktuna khunai asibu laibang asibu masak takpada usuna achauba thaudang lobiu haina aikoi ipsa gi site gi haijari amadi ngasi satkadrba khongchet ase mai pakpu oisinu haina ishor gi mafamda nijari.
Now, Telugu Desam Party TDP chief and former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu and his son Nar Lokesh were put under house arrest by the police today to stop them from holding a rally against Jagan Mohan Reddy-led state government. Besides the father-son duo, former MLA and TDP leader Tangriala Somaya and several party leaders have been put under preventive detention at lawmakers' residence in Krishna district ahead of their planned Chalo Atmakur rally in Atmakuru district against alleged political violence by the ruling YSR Congress party in the state. TDP leaders and workers who tried to go to Naidu's residence were stopped by the police and taken into preventive custody. Naidu, who will sit on a hunger strike till 8 p.m. today, is not being allowed to meet media. According to police, the TDP has not sought permission for holding the rally. Meanwhile, Section 144 has been imposed in Naraserapata, Stadilapalli, Palnadu and Gurajala. Two highway robbers were apprehended today by the Highway Patrol Party of DEF Kohima while on routine patrolling of National Highway 29 from Zubza Hydro Bridge to Soma Bypass Junction. They were extorting money from truckers and the vehicles used by the robbers for conveyance was also seized. The arrested accused persons are identified as Amos Pawai and Hanji Yimchungar. In this connection, a case has been registered and investigation taken up. Now, 2 militants were killed and 2 other wounded in an encounter that broke out between the heavily armed cadres of Liberation Tigers of Tribal LTT and United Tribal Liberation Army Utla in Farzol district of Manipur in the wee hours today. According to sources, the gunfight between the 2 outfits occurred somewhere near Songpu village. 2 cadres of Utla were killed in the gunfight. They said the slain militants were identified as Salenmon alias Marcus, aged 30 years of Kwangjang village, Farzol district, and Lun Mintang alias Minao of Kwangjang village. 2 persons were also injured during the encounter. One of them was identified as 36-year-old Lalboy of None district. Further details are being awaited. Time now for a short commercial break, but after the break coming up, self-employed youths of mobile hair salon can fetch more than rupees 800 per day. More after the break. Stay right there.
Hello Food Express na adom-adom gi matam manghandana home delivery tawgi khudong chaba pijari. Ngasi mak housing mak adom na adom gi mobile da click ani khak nambiduna Hello Food Express ki apps asibu hapchin biu. Apps asigi matengna adom gi apamba chaningba chanaba makhalsing anakpa amadi arapa da leiriba Manipur gi apamba hotel singdagi mahau leina chabiyo.
Atenba matamgi manungda apamba sanaba makhalsing Hello Food Express na vijariba home delivery ki khudongchab silogi.
Hello Food Express, your favorite food delivery.
Kangla food product ti iram nonggi aseng ma mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi ano food item singi mahok khangla bada ngauroi daw kana bu leibagi kangla.
Welcome back. You're watching News Today at 1. Now you don't have to move to hair salons. Barbers on Wheel will be on your doorstep now. Here's an exclusive report from TOMTV News.
Barber on Wheel, a mobile hair salon run by two bold youngsters, are earning more than rupees 800 daily. Now, a disabled person or a person facing difficulties moving around doesn't have to worry about problem of going for a haircut. With just one phone call, Konsam Sangamba and Thonga Malengambi Chanu will arrive at your doorstep. Barber on Wheel, a modified and well-equipped Maruti van, has the facilities where two persons can have haircut at one go. With the initiative to employ young educated youths of the state, Paunam Sundar of Kurai Lairi Yembam Laikai started Barber on Wheel from 8th of this month. The service is also gaining popularity. Paunam Sundar stated that he invested around rupees 1.5 lakh to provide hygienic service to people.
Koi Barber on Wheel sariba chingba innovation se kaide lakuna haragadi ahan bada koi hygiene se koi na ngasibo da sangkala ku matam sida koi na conventional barber sing da koi na sangkak ku de thengneri ba mogi fee se sinabam da dum sinaba sang skin de thengjanna ba de ani so da moi sineri ba com sing se sinabam da dum sinaba so ana koi de lupo gum skin disease longna ba ya ba siu mayam sida koi na sum chahi kya sum tolerate tor khang le ko se sikitang kok na bagi hygiene oiba mong da khalla kan ahan ba khanjabani de ani so pandam de marwena koigi service site are karba makhan gi service no hajing matam yam matam gi mamal value of time sam chilna matam sida koina mapan da thokna queue leptana khotra ngai bi nuai ta ba aduga loina na koina masi pos yum da sanga kan da di kana gumba differently able sing mapan thokpa da khudung cha da ba nuai ta ba mi sing adigi maram kharana maram oram pan thokpa ya da ba adigi celebrity sing adigi amrom da masai anaba namarum thokpa ya da ba sing suma mi sing sigi yum da sanga kan da koina kak taraga di matam ju safe tore aduga makoi da comfortable oiba yam nungai ba makhan gi service sama kak pina bagi ani shu pandamni
Konsam Sangamba from Kundrakpam, Imphal East District and Thonga Malengan Bichanu from Moirang cut hair for just rupees 40 per person. The shop is open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. Around 20 people visit the salon, enabling them to earn from rupees 800 to 1,000 daily.
Khangna damina sum sidalega masang sum khangna tawraga sidagi spray out tawge tawba tugi admain do tawge taw ahamanina myam sa khangna damina khoina chaninge ne ta mafam ju leitamnina chapa mafam do 800 muki chang da lai no da mi amada 40 adumai lawra pung 6 am dagina 6:30 adam ki chang de dum hang.
Thonga Malengan Bichanu stated that the number of female clients are less as they tend to go to beauty parlors. During busy hours, she cut hair irrespective of the gender, she added. Visitors of the salon lauded the efforts by the educated youths.
Smaina koi power amos smaina cham na koi 4-wheeler tor ga smaina tor mapam pom chat la kak pa ya khudung sa su lei re sumba mitem sa gi yohom mi koi yohom mi gi hai ta ne ko kana ba gi tung gi koi gi afaba samaj ma propo chat taning ba supo e gi yum da su koi suam mo me tabu smaina tor me kyam le ga di koi ju mo yi tanara ga dum yobu khotpa kachu kai di hai wakhan da thamjage gi mota
Vậy lại thì số máy hàng bên ngoài chứ số máy nó phải biết tên là tàu bút số máy nó hàng thì nó có tao gái tàu bút chứ số máy pam chứ còn nó mấy em tàu bút các tàu không tàu bút chứ số máy nó chúng ama phát giúp hay có hay mấy tàu bút làm lại xin nấu có mà hàng thì hấp quỳ đấy bây giờ trăng cái đâu không nghe trăng bút chung âm thì còn nông phá đông ngày trước trăng rất ít như thế tàu quỳ mà tàu bút thâu cái tại xem này cái gì phát giúp hay xem này đồ này hay sẽ ta được.
The owner of the barber on wheel, Paunam Sundar, can be found near Lamlong, Hong Kong. Looking at the demand of the salon, Sundar plans to expand the business.
Barber on wheel ki ahan ba koi gari se sem na bhona bada yam dra bada koi 1.5 lakhs ko ma changi maram di gari ma koi gi thau ba gari ma oina to gi lei gi duma second hand gari ma lei bani adoga mathang da madugi manung interior me andu shape ma khot ba materials tools sing lei ba punjala kanda 1.5 lakh kumba adoina investment aham changi adoma khata na koina puthoro ko der yum lakto me am sidi eco friendly oba e rickshaw da lakani single seater da hari bo chda di kitang handaraga nearly 80 to 1 lakh kumbu gi investment lakado mal amom da.
Barber on wheel. Yes, that was indeed a very good initiative from a young entrepreneur. Now, the Bamboo Forum of India will organize the 10th World Bamboo Day 2019 celebration for 5 days. The inaugural function will be held at Lamjingbatomtv Palace Compound on September 18. Bamboo pioneers from Manipur and outside the state, as far as Leh, Ladakh, will also be honored. Now, a combined team of Mori Commando and 43 Assam Rifles arrested an active cadre of KCP Noyon Group last evening at around 5:30 from Holenphai village of Tengnopol district along Indo-Myanmar border. According to reports, the arrested has been identified as Narim Amarjit alias Chand of Sugnu Makhalekai. He has been handed over to Mori police station for further investigation. We are now heading for another short commercial break, but coming up is a resident director of Star Cement Meghalaya says the company has the largest market share in the entire Northeast. Do stay tuned.
AIYF Manipur State Council na sinjaduna lamyanba luching purel hijam irawat the tribute tawjaba kunmari rak suba state level jananeta hijam irawat saithai se changdamnaba pangthok jaragan category ani thokna khaidok jai junior amasung senior category
form thajan bagi aroiba numitna
18 September 2019 date of competition 22nd September 2019 mafamna Jain Manipur Dance Academy Imphal
competition sigi form pampamna
AIYF office irawat Bhavan Group Mahalten Imphal
Manipuri gi sejak pisingna form tang lobiduna
asida upcoming singer singna saruk yabiyo
aduga masigi competition si inkhalaliba sejak pising idi amna soba platform mo idini
Manipur gi nongle inkhalaklibi singna saruk yabiyo kunmari rak suba state level jananeta hijam irawat saithai se changdamna
Nupani kaina kumai arau za atek pubide leishari ngai dana aduda puniga dahada puniga
ngasi de kaino
yare nung phadoksu koi pubibado akhoi di phangjadrabani
ngai khone ai wasisu yam nungai pawni ne ahum lak suba langbal kaithel pangthok kadawri
ajidi kaida
hapta kan jimuda
asengwira
mane
DS Enterprises kaisam thongna khodol tamliba ahum lak suboina pangthok kadoriba langbal kaithel Meet the Star Fashion Show Dance Competition Tapta Night Musical Night amadi angang singidamakta oina Disneyland item na singba kaya na miyamda kumay oihangadoriba ahum suba langbal kaithel
adidi yam nungai ni
adi miyamdo nangonda ne yengba chalusena ne haige toriba
Welcome back once again. I'm KISHORECHANDRA with the news today at 1. Now, Star Cement is one of the largest cement brands in the northeastern region. Its output is marketed through a network of over 6,000 dealers and retailers across the northeast, resulting in the largest market share in the northeast India. Talking to TOMTV, Resident Director of Star Cement Meghalaya, Devendra Kumar Bansal, said that the company was constructed in the year 2003 and became the largest cement plant in the northeast India, with several numbers of promoters from various sectors. Here is an exclusive one-on-one interview with our Guwahati Bureau Chief.
We have with us Sir Devendra Kumar Bansalji, Resident Director, Star Cement Meghalaya. Sir, tell us more about the company and its efficiency towards the production and its quality, and also mention about the services and market status to the people of northern state region and outside too.
Company is basically a Century Plyboard Group. And it was set up in 2003. We started the construction work, and then in 2005 it was commissioned. So it was the first biggest cement plant in the northeastern region, the first private player. And as our promoters are there, Mr. Sajan Bhajanka, and is a group of promoter, Mr. Sanjay Agarwal, Mr. Prem Bhajanka, Mr. Rajendra Chamadia, Mr. Brij Bhushan Agarwal. So those already they are having a big units. Mr. Bhajanka is involved in Century Plyboard, and then other members are also like somebody in steel business, somebody is a different kind of business. First successful group in the northeastern region for in cement, and we are having the highest market share in the northeast. And when we started, so at that time maximum cement was in northeastern region, cement was coming from the outside mainland India. When after set up this cement plant, and then that rate come from the outside India reduced, so because the local production increased. So now the situation has come, we are rather than we are sending cement from northeastern region to eastern part of like Bengal and Bihar, Jharkhand, like that we are planning. Bengal, so we already set up good market, and now we are planning to go further. So it's a very well, as far as quality is concerned, Star Cement is very good quality. They are giving the best quality, I think. So because we are having the best quality of limestone available in the area, and our director's chairman vision is to provide the best quality. They cannot compromise with the quality of product. So that's why you can see it is the most acceptable cement in the region, northeast.
Mention some of the challenges faced so far. Tell us about management structure of the factory. Can mention about with the coming of GST, any effect to the market?
Coming of GST is a little bit, there is no effect at present. Only problem is that GST rate is for this product is high. So the cement lobby always they keep on talking to the GST council to reduce the rate of cement, which is the highest in percentage, 28% at present. So we expect it in near future it may come down to 18%. So, and then as far as challenges is concerned, we are, as far as raw material is concerned, there is no challenge. Some challenges were there related to coal, when the coal NGT banned the Meghalaya coal. So now we have geared up and we are purchasing coal from the eastern coal field, and then even importing the coal, petcoke also for our purchase. So now we have overcome from the challenges. So now challenge is to expand our capacity.
How fast such industry can employ the people of India, especially to the northern eastern side of the India, contributing to the employment status of India?
As far as employment is concerned, there was not much industries in northeastern region, so there is a lack of experienced manpower in the northeastern region. So after coming our plant, we have started taking some people of the area, and then now they got trained, and now they are getting better opportunities in government sector also. So definitely if the more industry will come, so the experience of the people by working, because the industry culture has to be developed. So when industry culture will be developed, definitely the more manpower will be employed. So now there is a number of manpower who are working, who are worked here, and now they are got the better chance in the even abroad also. So we hope कि in coming time government will focus on the northeastern region, and more industries will come, and then manpower experience will grow, so they'll get the better employment.
Well, that was Guwahati Bureau Chief with an exclusive one-on-one interview with the Resident Director of Star Cement Meghalaya. Now moving on to next news, the nomination papers of two candidates contesting for the post of Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly were found valid. As per reports, the two candidates who filed their nomination yesterday included former Minister and three-time MLA from Mairang constituency, Metba Lingdo, and two-time Congress MLA, Winnerson D. Sangma. BJP National President Amit Shah will conduct a meeting of top party leaders from Bengal in the national capital today amid the ongoing tussle in the unit. According to the sources, State BJP President Dilip Ghosh and senior leader Mukul Roy will take part in the meeting that will discuss organizational issues and the upcoming party organizational elections in the state. Now, on the anniversary of 9/11 terror attacks, India today called on the international community to continue its support for Afghanistan and fulfill the commitments made to its people and its security forces as they continue to battle terrorism. Syed Akbaruddin, India's permanent representative to the United Nations, said insurgent groups like the Taliban and Haqqani network continue to find safe havens and support beyond Afghanistan's border, in an indirect reference to Pakistan, where such groups continue to find patronage. The remarks from the Indian envoy to the United Nations came just 2 days after the United States announced that the peace talks with the Taliban are dead. President Donald Trump announced that the secret talks had been cancelled and that he would ramp the war back up. An explosion took place near the U.S. Embassy in Afghanistan's Kabul today, the anniversary of the 9/11 attack on the United States. However, no casualties or injuries were reported, and officials at the compound declared all clear after the blast. The explosion was caused by a rocket. Following the explosion, a plume of smoke rose over central Kabul. The NATO mission, which is nearby, said no personnel had been injured. Though no group has claimed responsibility for the blast, it was the first major attack in the Afghan capital since U.S. President Donald Trump abruptly called off peace talks with the Taliban. The United States President on Saturday called off peace negotiations with the Taliban over Kabul car bombing, which killed 12 people, including an American soldier. Now let's look at the newspapers' headlines.
Imphal Free Press. RN Ravi Muiva hold meeting in Dimapur. Suicide tendency very high amongst drug users. JAC demands action against police personnel for shooting agitators with rubber bullets. 24th Hijam Irabot Saitha Isai Changdamnaba to be held. Arrested Rohingya Muslims handed over to Myanmar. The Morning Bell. Babysana JAC threatens resumption of steer if Chief Minister fails to keep words. Educational institutes converting the sector as a purely profit-making industry, says MP Ranjan. Senapati District Students Association peeved over breach of protocol and government orders over Joint Director DDO appointment in TA and Health Department. Milal begins imparting Meitei Mayek training at Kasar. Manipur Mail. Dilution of Article 370 will accelerate development, says Vice President. Radio taxi affecting auto sector, says Finance Minister. Nagaland issues advisory on illegal immigrants. The Sangha Express. Baby Sana JAC sets September 15 deadline. TH Muiva Ravi meet informally. Next talk likely in Delhi. Amit Shah's CAB command sparks opposition in Assam. Charge-seated cops summoned on October 14. The People's Chronicle. MP Lorho asked Nagas not to worry over FA outcome. Muiva meets Ravi. Next round likely in Delhi. Manipuri woman escapes from kidney racketeers. Fund crunch hits newspaper supply in Ukhrul Library. Commercialization of education concerns MP Ranjan.
And now, before we wind up, a quick reminder of the top stories once again. Checks distributed to 175 eco clubs of Imphal West District. Manipur Wushu team leaves for Chandigarh to participate in National Wushu Championship. And former Under Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and son placed under preventive detention. That's all we have in this section of News Bulletin. Thank you very much for watching Times of Manipur.